Have you considered hiring a professional organizer? Do you think you would benefit from the advice of a home organizer or clutter coach? In this video, I'm sharing with you the top 5 reasons that people hire professional organizers. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. I help you live a life with less clutter so you can have space for the things that truly matter. Working as a professional organizer is truly a new adventure every day. Each of my clients has a unique background, outlook, hobbies, and personal style. But there are several reasons why they have reached out for household organizing services. So let's review those 5 reasons. Number 1 is that they have experienced a major lifestyle change. You may feel completely organized and in control of your life, and then a huge event changes all of that. And now you have to think differently about your space and your priorities. These changes could include the death of a loved one, divorce, marriage or blending 2 households, expecting a new baby, retirement or a job change, becoming an empty nester, or a major medical diagnosis or change in abilities. These are times when you need to reevaluate your priorities, time management, and how your home is organized. And a professional organizer can help you with that transition. Okay, number 2, you just feel stuck. You know you need to declutter and organize your home. You lose things, you miss appointments, you are frustrated with the general state of things, but you don't know where to start and you feel completely overwhelmed by the process. A planning session with a professional organizer can provide motivation and direction. If you're not ready to have a professional organizer over to your home right now, watch my video on creating the perfect home organizing plan. You can also get my free home organizing roadmap by clicking the link in the description below. Okay, back to our list. Number 3 is that you are moving or renovating your home. Moving to a new space or renovating your current home creates a unique opportunity for a fresh start. You have to pack all of your things up anyway, or hire someone to pack and move your things. So while you're going through that process, why don't you eliminate some of the clutter before you put it into a box and move it to your new home? A professional organizer can help you eliminate clutter before your move and show you how to use your new space more efficiently. This is especially true if you are a senior downsizing to a smaller home. This is a time for you to sort through all of your belongings and just move the essentials to that smaller, more manageable space. Okay, number 4, the 4th reason why you would hire a professional organizer is you need it done really fast. You may need your entire home decluttered very quickly. This could be if you're putting your house on the market to sell, or the house of a loved one, or experiencing a health crisis, a financial crisis, or you need to remove clutter before a home repair, and time is of the essence. In these cases, you will want to find a professional organizer who is also an experienced project manager and has a team of organizers and other resources to facilitate getting through that job very quickly. With my team, I can usually clear out and reorganize an entire house in a couple of days or a couple of weeks, depending on the amount of clutter. So with the help of professionals, it is possible to reorganize or clear out a home very quickly. All right, the 5th reason is that you simply want to learn to be better organized, and maybe you want your kids to have organizing skills. We aren't really taught organizing skills in school, and you may have picked up some bad habits from your parents or a caretaker and just don't really know the best way to organize things. This is personally my favorite reason why people hire me to help them reorganize their homes. And be sure to let your professional organizer know that you are interested in learning the decluttering and organizing process, as well as understanding the habits that you will need to live an organized lifestyle. Hiring a professional organizer is like having a personal tutor teach you new skills in your home. And it's just a bonus that your kitchen or your closet or your home office is going to be transformed in that process. So what are your reasons for thinking about hiring a professional organizer? Let me know in the comments below. And click subscribe to get all of my videos on decluttering, organizing, minimizing, and downsizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.